So it is the 1st of May. Sorry, a slightly weird camera angle here. This is my office rather than my house. 1st of May, so it is time to draw the winner of my Devotional Kit Giveaway. I have put everybody's name in this little handy black drawstring bag. I bought some new headphones yesterday and this came with it. So I'm going to pick out the winner of the Traveller's Notebook and the other notebook and all the other goodies. And that is Crafty Lou. Well done, Crafty Lou. Get in touch with me, send me your address, and I will get that in the post to you as soon as I can. I have various things planned for this month. I want to do an updated video on how things are going with my new faith planner. Spoiler, really well. I'm very excited. So I'm going to show you that. I've got another £5 craft challenge that's coming up in a couple of weeks. If you're not sure what the £5 craft challenge is, but you think it sounds fun, have a look at my videos explaining that. And what else am I going to do? I'm planning to try and do some art journaling videos. I'm not sure how well that's going to work, but I'm going to try that. So stay tuned. It's all happening here.